Hello. So if you've been following diligently in the last couple of videos, then congratulations, you've defied the odds, you've made it, you're a champion. I think you ought to pat yourself on the back. Anyway, so in this particular tutorial we've already installed TWRP on our device, and it's working perfectly. In case maybe things didn't go the right way and you break your phone, then don't worry so much, because I'll be demonstrating just how to bring your phone back to the way it was before we started this whole debacle. So let's jump right into it. So I'm assuming that everything went well for you and you have TWRP installed. In case you haven't been following up on the videos, I would and you don't know how to install TWRP, I would recommend that you check the links in the description. They are going to show you the last couple of videos which you can follow, and then after you've watched them, then perhaps you'd watch this one. Anyway, so if you watched the last video and you installed TWRP on your device, now we've reached the part where we will be installing superSu. So just copy the superSu zip file. Don't extract it, just copy it the way it is. Navigate to your device's internal storage. You see, here's my device, and then paste the file to the root of your folder. After you've done this, after you've pasted the file to the root of your folder, switch off your device. Right, switch off your device. I can't project my device at this moment for one reason or the other, but I believe you can follow this demonstration right here. Okay, so once you've done that, press the volume up plus power button until you see your device's logo, and then choose recovery mode. Well, just follow the instruction on your phone's screen and make sure that whatever instructions they are giving you, choose recovery mode. And once you've chosen that mode, you should be able to see TWRP, the installation file. I mean, it's already been installed, so you should be able to see it. So once you've seen TWRP, just go right into TWRP and then choose the install menu. Once you've chosen that menu, it's going to ask you to navigate to where your image is. So navigate to the root where we had placed the superSu file. Click on that particular file and give it some time while it installs on your device. After a couple of minutes, maybe 2 or 3, it should be done. And at this moment you can reboot your phone. Okay, you may go through a couple of boot loops, maybe 2, and then after that you should be able to access your system. And now anyway, so if it's successful and you boot up your phone, and then if you come to your menu, you should be able to see superSu somewhere right here. Here, superSu, and click start. Right, and then thanks, logs, settings, and as you can see, super user is enabled. Alright, okay, so that's in case everything went right. And in case things didn't go so well and you ended up breaking your phone, so first things first, make sure your phone is off, like it's off. Remove your battery and insert it back. Just make sure that the screen is black, it's off. This is also if you want to just reinstall your data and make sure that your phone is in the way that it was before we started this process. The process may also have gone for you very right, but you sort of want to go back to the apps that you had and the images and your videos, but also maintain root. So what you do, just go here to SP Flash Tool, okay, click Flash Tool, run as administrator. Alright, once you're here, click on choose, click on start up loading, choose, and then navigate to where you had backed up your data, right? For my case, I backed up my data in Elements right here, and then choose the scatter file. You should only have one. For my case, I think there's a duplicate or something, but you should only have one scatter file, right? Once you've chosen that, you should see a situation like the one here, but only that all of these boxes should be ticked. So in your case, if TW is working fine and the superSu is also working fine, but you only want your data, so what you do, you just click on data, right? You just make sure that this one is ticked, data, and then after you've done that, click on download, right? Click on download, or it should be working for you, because for myself something is wrong. And then after you click that, connect your phone and wait a couple of minutes, and your phone should basically return to the state that it was in. You should have the same apps that you had, you should have the same conversation, you should have your files, your music, and what have you. So basically that's it. So in case you have any issues, you can comment in the video section, and I would be able to help. Right, so thank you. And